English Greek, may I, equals.
Μπορώ να.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to unlock polite Greek? This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today's magic key is the question may I. In Greek, say.
Μπορώ να.
Imagine a golden key labeled.
Μπορώ να.
That opens any polite door, no locksmith needed. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll ask permission like a pro. By the end, you'll use may I. And.
Μπορώ να.
To sit, to enter, and to call later, smooth, friendly, and confident. Bonus. You'll master polite and formal upgrades too. 3 useful registers. You like options, right? Pick the vibe you need. Normal, everyday.
Μπορώ να.
Very polite.
Θα μπορούσα να.
Formal, impersonal.
Επιτρέπετε να.
Mini dialogues. Act it out with me, tiny scenes, big confidence. At a cafe, you, may I. To sit here.
Μπορώ να. Να καθίσω εδώ.
Host. Sure, go ahead. At a doorway, you, may I. To come in.
Μπορώ να. Να μπω μέσα.
Friend. Come on in. On the phone, you, may I. To call you later.
Μπορώ να. Να σε καλέσω αργότερα.
Friend. Perfect. Pronunciation beat. Let's lock in the sound with a fun rhythm. Tap this groove. Bo-ro na, bo-ro na.
Μπορώ να.
Emphasize the rising, ro. Imagine a soft bouzouki loop while you repeat it 3 times. Culture tip. Here's how to sound extra thoughtful and local. Greek question marks look like semicolons, so.
Μπορώ να.
Ends with a. Add politeness with.
Παρακαλώ.
Please, and gratitude with.
Ευχαριστώ.
For stricter settings, use.
Επιτρέπετε να.
Drill time. Your turn. Say it out loud and own it. Say, may I come in?
Μπορώ να. Να μπω μέσα.
Repeat twice. Say, may I sit here?
Μπορώ να. Να καθίσω εδώ.
Say, may I call you later?
Μπορώ να. Να σε καλέσω αργότερα.
Bonus upgrade, very polite.
Θα μπορούσα να.
Quiz lightning round. Quick check. Trust your ear and go. Q1. What's the Greek for may I? A.
Μπορώ να.
Q2. True or false?
Μπορώ να.
Is used to ask for permission. A. True. Q3. Say a formal version. A.
Επιτρέπετε να.
Challenge and goodbye. You nailed it, one last fun mission. For the next 24 hours, every time you reach a door, whisper, may I? Then say it in Greek.
Μπορώ να.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, stay polite, and keep smiling. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, downloads, and practice drills. See you next time.